Hey guys, it's Cece here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the vertical double half hitch. Now this knot is very similar to the horizontal double half hitch in that its name makes absolutely no sense at all, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll display the link now in my video and it'll also be in the description below. So let me show you how the vertical double half hitch is done. I've got a group of chords here and I've got a pink chord which is going to be my working chord and a group of cream chords which are going to be my filler chords. So to start, I'm going to take my pink working chord and I'm going to take it underneath the first cream chord in the group. Then I'm going to create this backwards C shape. Take the pink chord and then pull it through the loop that you've just created and pull on that string tightly. And that's created the first half hitch. Now to create the second half hitch, we're going to repeat that. So the backwards C, pull through the loop and then pull tightly. So now we've completed one vertical double half hitch and we're just going to continue working our way down the group of cream chords until we get to the end, which will create a full row of vertical double half hitches. So here we have our finished row of vertical double half hitches, and you can also use the same technique and go back the other way. So I'll show you this now. So we take our pink chord, and again that will be our working chord, and we'll take it underneath the first filler chord in the group. This time we're going to create a C shape that is the right way around, and then take our pink chord and put it over the filler chord and then pull it through the loop like so. And then we pull that tightly and that will create the first half of our double half hitch. Then we're going to do that again. So we've got the C shape, pull the end of the pink chord through the loop and then pull tightly, and that's a double half hitch in the opposite direction. Let's keep going and I'll show you the end of the row. Now this is a great technique to use when you want to add other colours to your piece, because you can introduce new strings at any point in the pattern and create shapes using the colours. I've got an example here. As you can see, I've used some pink chords and then introduced some blue chord just to create little dots. It's not a very advanced pattern, I'll admit, but you can get the idea about what you can create using the vertical double half hitch technique. So that's all the basics for the vertical double half hitch knot. I also have a downloadable PDF guide which goes through all of the half hitch knot in a greater detail. That's a free download and you can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and here's to finding peace and creativity.